Trailblazing the Path, understanding the phrase, Trailblazer. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, trailblazer. So, what does it mean to be a trailblazer? Stay with us as we uncover the essence of this powerful term and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A trailblazer is someone who pioneers a new path or way of doing things. They are innovators, leading the way in uncharted territories or fields. This term originally referred to someone who blazed a trail through the wilderness for others to follow, marking trees by chipping off pieces of bark. In modern usage, it's all about being a pioneer or first in any field or endeavor. Throughout history, there have been many notable trailblazers. These are individuals who were the first to achieve something groundbreaking, often facing challenges and resistance. We can look at figures like Marie Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, or Neil Armstrong, the first person to walk on the moon. Their contributions paved the way for others, embodying the spirit of a trailblazer. You don't have to be famous to be a trailblazer. In our everyday lives, trailblazers can be those who introduce new ideas in the workplace, lead community projects, or even start new trends. They are characterized by their creativity, courage, and determination. Now, let's look at how to incorporate this term into your English vocabulary. You might say, Steve Jobs was a trailblazer in the technology industry, or the scientists at the lab are trailblazers in cancer research. Notice how the term adds a layer of respect and admiration for the person's achievements. Being a trailblazer is about much more than being first. It's about being bold and innovative. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the trailblazers around you and perhaps become one yourself in whatever field you're passionate about. Thank you for joining us, and keep blazing your own trails.